So now we open it and look what is going on inside. So there you go. You can stir them a little bit. So they're open up now. Look, they're open up. Wow, look at that. It smells so good. It smells so good, guys. Yes, you don't need to put a lot of water. You see, I did not put any water because the clams. They have some water from the sea. So look at that, it's opening soon. So I think it's a little bit, we're gonna wait till like maybe a minute. Then I'm going to put this vegetables. This is wild spinach. Wild spinach. It's edible, guys. It's edible. If you don't know that veg, you think it's just the weed. And then I put some of the bokchoy. Bokchoy. So just mix them and it tastes good, guys. It's fresh from my garden. Look, fresh from my garden. So look, I will put the lid back and wait for a minute. So cook thoroughly. If you're consuming raw seafood, cook thoroughly, guys, because it's better to cook than it's gonna end up having problem with your stomach. So there you go, guys. Yes. And then I'm gonna put some ground pepper, ground black pepper, and that's it. I don't need to put any seasoning. I just want them fresh clams, shells. Yummy! Who wants the seafood shells? Who's the lovers? It's really, really yummy.
So guys, here we go. A minute later. Wow, they're opening it. Look at that. Yummy. I'm getting hungry. Look, they are so delicious. Look at that. Oops, my camera. Oh wow, nice. And you see, guys, I did not put any water, just from the shell. And guys, you can put your vegetables now. My vegetables, okay, just put here in the side and then stir a little bit. Okay, so to put them there because it's opening now, and my vegetables need to come this side. See, guys, smell is so good. This is spinach, wild spinach. So if you wanna try this, guys, you don't need to cook so much of this spinach, okay? Because usually just half cook for the spinach. Look, just cooking them in the side, and there you go. I don't need to put so much of them, just tiny greens. Look, guys, wow, look at that. Yum. Try to eat healthy. I'm getting hungry already. So guys, thank you for watching. This is Shash channel. Please hit the notification button below and please subscribe my channel. This is Shah's channel. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Here we go. We're going to eat stir fry clams and vegetables. Thank you for watching.